Hello, YouTubers! Don't mind the crappy video. I'm using a Samsung SGH-A720, the Samsung Admire from Metro PCS, to record this video. What I've got for you today is I have written for the Nokia 3310 and the 3390 the ringtones for AT&T Mobility and T-Mobile USA. Here in my hand is a Nokia 3390. Obviously, I can't get a 3310 here in the States. Well, I could, but it wouldn't be able to talk to our towers. Frequency differences. Same tech, different frequencies. And just as well, this phone, even though it's GSM, wouldn't work in Europe for the very same reason. What I have here on screen is the T-Jingle from T-Mobile. Pretty simple, and yeah, I'll have the formula composition for it in notes. Let's get out of here. The other one I have, like I said, is the one from AT&T Mobility, originally singular. Customize. And there you have it. T-Jingle and AT&T tune. I don't know, Nokia 3310 or 3390 or 3395, whichever. I'll have the formulas in the comment section shortly. Should have written down the one from AT&T, so I'll have to probably pull that one back up from memory or trial and error. I mean, it's not that complex. I remember the basic pattern. Do-do-do-do, 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 and so on and so forth. Put that back to Nokia. But, yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have anything, leave it in the comments. If you got a place where I might want to submit these, if there's like, I don't know, a place where people with old Nokias like these hang out. No, I won't send it to you via SMS because rates are just too damn expensive, and I don't subscribe to a messaging plan. I got a data plan, but that variably involves swapping my SIM to the 3G air card. But yeah, that's it. And let me know what you think.